If you're encountering the "payment is pending" issue on Netflix, it can be resolved by updating or changing your payment method. Start by launching the Netflix app on your device or visiting the Netflix website. Once you're signed in to your account, locate the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select the Account option. Under this menu, look for Payment Method or Manage Payment Information and click on it. Here, you'll find various payment options, such as PayPal, debit cards, or credit cards. If you're currently using PayPal and experiencing this issue, try switching to a debit or credit card instead. Enter your card details. Proceed with the payment, and this should resolve the problem. Additionally, ensure that if you're connected to a VPN during the payment process, you disable it before completing the transaction. Hopefully, this resolves your issue effectively.